Guys, I'm back. How is everyone? On today's video, I will show you how to select your winning numbers. Since there are many viewers, subscribers messaging me and leaving comments, and they are wondering where did I get my numbers for my wagering and bets. On this video, I will show you exactly what I do. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more guides and tips. So now let's proceed to the exact method that I use. How to select your first row, second row, and third row numbers by choosing numbers on each row, as you can see. How did I come up with these numbers on first row, second row, and third row? There are two bases on identifying your chosen numbers. First, the list hit numbers and the frequency on how many times it was drawn for 6 to 10 draws. Example below. Okay guys, this was my actual previous result. Okay, as you can see on first row, 1. Okay, first row, 1. Okay, there are consecutively 1 that was drawn for a couple of days. Next is 3. As you can see, there are many instances that 3 was drawn on the first row. We are targeting here the first row. Okay, now as you can see, there are no 8. Number 4 was drawn recently. 2 did not exist on the first row in a previous drawings. So I'll choose 2, 4, 8. This I only choose 3 numbers on the first row. Okay, but you can additionally add 2 numbers. It depends on the capital you are wagering or betting. Now the second row. Okay, as you can see, 7 just drawn list. It was hit list. 6, it was also drawn and considered as list hits. And 5. Okay, look at number 9, recently drawn. Avoid consecutively recently drawn numbers. Okay, look at number 8. They are consecutively drawn. So I will choose my number on the second row is 7, 6, and 5. And on the third row, I choose 1, 5, 7. This system is so powerful, guys. By hitting straight wins consistently. But we will identify, and you will identify first the first, second, and the third power numbers. On this guide, we will only occupy 3 numbers against 10 to 9 in every row to hit straight consistently. Each row has a 0 to 9 numbers. To identify your numbers, get your previous results, because this is positional Guys, each row has 0 to 9 numbers. To identify our numbers, we will use some previous results. In this method, I am using the positional technique. Each number drawn is hardly to repeat on the same exact position. So this is why the system became so powerful. I mean, when the number drawn on the first row, it is very rare to be drawn again the same number on the first row. So this is the technique here. Number of combination is 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27, because we are using just 3 numbers on each row. Since positional wheeling is so powerful, we are targeting straight wins jackpot. Yes, we are targeting straight wins, not rumble or box plays. With the least numbers we choose, we now have a much powerful approach. Okay, look at the first row. Since I choose 2, 4, 8, the second row I choose 7, 6, 5, and third row I choose 1, 5, 7. The number of combination I can generate using this number, the first row, second row, and third row, is 27 all in all combination. The combination to bet on. Look at carefully my generated combination. 2, first row. 4, first row. 8, first row. 7, as you can see, 7 is on the second row. 6 and 5 on the third row. 1, 5, 7, as you can see, it is carefully placed on the last row. Okay. Guys, just replace your desired number here, level it by A, B, C letters, and the combination to bet on, just put the desired letter numbers on each combination and you can replace whatever number you have chosen. As you can see, this is on exact order position since we want to hit the jackpot price in a straight bits. The first row, as you can see, 2, 4, 8, second is 7, 6, 5, and the third is 1, 5, 7. They are arranged accordingly. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides and tips.